What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm right here in the Drysdale kitchen. So we ain't on the water today. Today, I'm gonna cook up one of my favorite crappie recipes. I'm gonna cook me some bacon. I'm gonna cook my crappie in the bacon grease, throw some onions and some bell peppers on them, and let's just see how this turns out. I'm trying to decide if I want to put it on a lettuce wrap and make a taco, or do I want to put it on a hoagie and make it a cheesesteak. But either way, we'll figure out how I'm going to eat it when I get done. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go eat 'em. I like my bacon crispy, but I have to cook it slow, because if I cook it too fast, the grease is going to be too hot for the fish. So I got to cook this bacon slow. I got to keep flipping it over to make sure that I'm not burning it on one side. But again, I like my bacon crispy. And some of these big old slabs with my, what's that thing called? Onion and the pepper. Got the onions in there. Let's add some pepper.
And a couple of years later, this other thing happened because, like, for the first time in my life, I started to find this, and it was clear that myself and more our relationship kind of strained. The deeper into this I went, and our relationship kind of...
I don't know about cool. I feel like I'm just a type, like, as soon as I stop, I feel kind of bad because I feel like I haven't really, like, asked you how you're doing. It'd be weird to work in a restaurant and not completely be mine. I don't know.
All right, so here we go. It's flaky.
Okay.
It's cooked in bacon grease.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
So, have you like...
And it is delicious. So you can't always fry your crappie. I'll try with these onions. Onions and peppers.
So good when I was there.
Flaky and delicious. So folks, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. So folks, I'm going to go ahead and get this grub on because this is delicious. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.